You asked how to buy shares of SPIE SA, and I will walk through the steps. SPIE SA is an industrial services company listed on Euronext under the ticker SPIE.PA. This is educational content, not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy SPIE.PA, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account, usually with a photo ID, and to add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SPIE.PA to find SPIE SA. Select the result that clearly shows the Euronext listing to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the listing matches SPIE SA on Euronext and shows the SPIE.PA ticker before proceeding. To invest, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A convenient link to eToro is provided in the description if you wish to explore the platform.